Welcome back to Two Friends Diet. I'm Robin. Today Heather is not with me. It is the holidays and she wasn't able to be here, and I got a box in the mail from Stitch Fix and I wanted to make sure and get it open and get it back out in the mail because of all the holidays. I wasn't sure about the leeway time of returning it. So I'm going to do another box opening. I've opened the box as far as cutting it, but I have not looked to see what is in the box. So we'll do that now. So we got our nice return envelope. And some pretty colors in here. I did, when I filled out the questionnaire, I let them know I was going on a cruise. So let's see what great things they've sent me. My name is Michelle, it's my stylist, and it says, "Welcome to Stitch Fix. I'm so glad that we are partnering together for your first fix. Since we are just getting to know each other, any feedback that you can add about the style, fit of the pieces in your fix will be extremely helpful and allow us to work together to create the best possible fix for you. It sounds like you have a fun trip planned," so they did read my information. That's always good. I saw that you wanted some long skirts, so I had one by Gilly that is a faux wrap style and another by Renee C that is in fun print for your trip. I also sent you two tops that had a fun tropical vibe to them that can go with shorts, a solid skirt, or capri. And then it goes on to say, "Have a great time on your trip and let me know how you feel or how you liked everything. Warmest wishes, Michelle." Well, thank you, Michelle, for putting my box together, and let's take a look at it. Looks like it's the long skirt. Oh, I love that. And I am short. You guys know that. I think I expressed that the last time, but one good thing about some of these longer skirts that are in this material, you can kind of roll the top and make it the right length. This is a Renee C Cora maxi skirt in navy, and it has, looks like oranges, blues, oranges, whites, several different kinds of blues, and it's pretty. I love it. It's in a 2X, so that's great. Let's see what this is. And this is the other maxi skirt, and this is a Gilly maxi faux wrap skirt, also in blues. It's pretty. I like that. Let's see what top. Oh, this is a cute top. Oranges, some orange and blues, some beige flowers. That would look really nice on a cruise, definitely. It's a Danielle Rain Samoya V-neck top. And this next top is Emery Park. It's a black 3X, cute flowers. It's got a nice little design feature here in the front, the cutout. I like that. Are these nice pants? I think they might be capris. It's plum is the color, and I definitely just fell in love with these. Another skinny jean. It's from Wrap and Weft, Maddie frayed hem skinny jean, and I do like the frayed edge. That's pretty cute. I think I'm in love with everything in this box. It's gorgeous. We'll see how it fits. I loved the purple or eggplant jeans. Beautiful color. They were too long, as you could see in the video. They were just not a good fit for me because I'm short. Nothing the stylist could have done. I'm new to Stitch Fit, and she's probably not aware of how short I am. So yeah, 5'0". So when it comes to legs, I don't have much to work with. So I'm not gonna keep those, but love the color. They're really pretty. very disappointed in both of the shirts not fitting. They say they're a 3X and they just did not fit in the arms or in the middle. Black shirt with the cutout. Didn't fit right either. It was too tight in the middle. It felt like it needed to be a little longer to cover my trouble areas. And it was too tight in the arms. So I didn't tell you the prices of the other two. This black shirt with the cutout was $34. It was a 3X. Again, the size didn't feel right. It didn't fit like 3Xs because I can wear some 2Xs and it just didn't feel, it felt like a 1X, to be honest. The orange top, it was 3X, $54. I'm not keeping that. The jeans, the Maddie frayed hem skinny jeans in deep purple were a 22W and they were $78, and that's just too high for me for jeans anyway, although I love the purple, and if we could find a pair of capri later this summer in that purple, I would really love that. So I am going to keep the skirts. This skirt is the let's see, the Renee C. Cora maxi skirt in navy. It was a 2X. It was $48. And this is the faux wrap skirt in kind of like a paisley with blues, and it was $58. So I'm gonna keep both of those. The price on both of those I'm not really 100% thrilled about, but I loved the skirts and I really wanted some skirts for our dinners on the cruise, so I'm gonna keep both of those skirts and send everything else back. So let me know what you thought, how everything looked. Let me know in the comments below. And if you thought the shirts looked different or if you agreed with my opinion, definitely let me know. And thanks for following us. Give us a like if you like what you're seeing on our channel. If you think we could do something better or you're looking forward to seeing something different, let us know. And please subscribe.